Jesus, bitch.
Oh, the truck just hit it.
Look, $5, $6.
Oh shit.
What the f? Ah, look at the car.
Shit.
Baby, what the
I gotta help. I gotta go help.
Yeah.
Okay, just close your eyes and relax. What is this guy?
Whoa.
Oh my god. Hey, just be careful. This guy's driving rash.
That was
CNN, MSNBC. Whoa. The fuck you doing, buddy? Seriously? Oh, okay. You're gonna hit and run me? Okay, I got that on video here. Oh!
It's a really nice day out. People just aren't on the road much. They're probably out like hiking or some shit. The fuck?
Oh my god!
That was so fucking
Holy
close.
shit! What the fuck?
For real.
Oh my god! I just got that on camera. No, Bumbo, come on. Holy crap, I just got that on camera. Come on. Yo, hey, you good?
Are you okay? Hold on, man. I'm gonna call 911, okay?
Holy.
I'm on the phone with him.
What in the frick? Oh my god, I'm shaking. I got that on camera.
What do you mean what? What do you mean what? Go! Go!
Oh, sorry, I didn't even know it called. I just happened to look down and see your name. Yeah. Oh, damn it, stupid fucking car.
You okay?
Yeah.
Is there any open work for tomorrow?
Subway or CSA?
Subway. Sorry.
I only got main line left, eh?
For what? Like for...
Oh my god. Oh!
What the fuck? Dude, she's totally fucking out. That's fucking crazy. Is she awake?
No, she's totally asleep.
That's fucking cheesy. Yeah, like if it don't fall, she'll wake up and just goes back to sleep.
Around like his neighborhood, and one of them, and it was like our the third hole or something.
The fuck was that?